And so in this video, I'm going to be setting up this off-road light on the van. Living off-grid, I do a lot of night driving. Well, not a lot, but enough that I want some decent amount of light. We have a herd of deer and a herd of elk that live around this area. And I do have these little guys here, which I'm honestly not too impressed with. It's a combination fog light and driving light. Either one of them aren't really that impressive. I'm going to go ahead and unhook the driving light portion, which I did have like a smaller, like 16, 20-inch off-road light here. So I have the existing wiring for that. I'm just going to use that wiring and hook it up to this guy. It's already got the switch, the relays, fuse, all that kind of stuff. So I'll go ahead and get that done. I do have like the special mounts that'll hook it up here to the back of the hood. I just want to open the hood, make sure looks like there's going to be enough space that I can open it and nothing be in the way. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, so first we'll get the brackets mounted up and get it ready to go. Alright, so we'll have this on the driver's side. So we'll take these guys. You got the kind of chintzy little mount, but looks like it'll work. Of course, it didn't come with any instructions, either part, so just doing what I can here. There we go. There's that guy. All right. You still have a bit of a swivel there. So this guy will go that side. This guy will go that side. All right, and go get this thing set on there where it needs to go. Then we'll worry about the wiring. All right, so those guys are where I need them to be. You have 3 set screws down on the bottom of here. Tighten those guys down on each side. Later on, I might go ahead and put a little bit of Loctite on each of these guys, just to make sure they don't come loose. So that basic part is done. Lower it down and get it aimed correctly. Don't like how it bounces, but you get what you pay for. Tilt it and adjust it as I need to. It does look like it's a little bit down, but that'll be all right. Next will be this wiring. Alright, so I saved you from me watching me unhook all the lights down here. Got ends. I'm going to head and hook these guys up. I'm going to plug them in. I'm going to tape off the hot, just so, you know, nothing bad will happen when I go turn it on. I know this isn't the best connectors to do this with, but it's what I have. So for right now, you can take a small piece, wrap it around the actual connector. And then plug in the negative. Not bad. Pretty bright for like 40 bucks. Looks like it's pretty okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this off. There we go. We'll go ahead and button this thing up, and when it gets dark out here, I'll go ahead and turn it back on, kind of get an idea how far it goes. Alrighty. So the next part of the video is going to be nighttime, and see how well this thing works. So we'll get to do that and come right back. Alright, so here I have the camera set up to my headlights, brights, dims, and we'll just hit this real quick, and you see the kind of difference. Alright, we're out here on the county road. My regular headlights are probably no brighter or dimmer than any other sealed beam headlights from the 2000s. So there are dims right now, there's brights. I can't tell a whole lot through the camera. My headlights, like, this is just comparison. My headlights are like the 6000 or 6500K headlights, you know, like as white as you can get without going blue. You know, they're not the best headlights, but they work. And now in comparison, so dims, brights, and then there's the Nilight. As you can see, it's definitely a lot brighter than even the brights. Of course, it's an off-road light, so hopefully it would be. And I really love the color temperature on it. It's a little bit more towards the 3700, you know, 4000, something like that. Got a little bit of like more natural light to it. And it's curved, so it does go out to the sides. You see a lot more in real life versus the camera. It's pretty awesome. Definitely impressed. And honestly, unless you're going to be going 70, 80 miles an hour, you're probably not going to overdrive this thing. Like as far out, you know, as far as the light goes, distance wise, you're going to see pretty much everything. And I actually do like it mounted up here on the back of the hood. It brings it up closer to eye level, so there's less shadows. Yeah, definitely impressed with this. Definitely good for the price. And I can't remember if I already said this, but I'll have a link down in the description. So go ahead and check it out. Definitely recommend this. All right, so now that you've seen that, got a decent idea. I'll have a link down in the description. It's my first purchase on Temu, or Temu, whatever you want to call it. But 42-inch curved dual row light. I mean, it's the same as far as Temu Amazon, AliExpress. AliExpress is what I usually go through, but I'll probably go ahead and have all three links down there below. I know a lot of people are more comfortable with Amazon because you get a little bit of assurance with that. But anyways, but yeah, that's it for the video. Go ahead and check it out. And until next time, keep kicking up dust. Oh, shizzle.